Hi everyone, and in this video I will show you how to reinstall Windows 10 without a Windows 10 disk image. Let's go! So click on the Start menu, then we need Settings. When Windows Settings menu was open, then we need Update and Security. In left menu, click on Recovery button. This is section of recovery. What is recovery? If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. So by resetting your PC you will reinstall Windows, but you can save your files and reinstall Windows, or remove them, and after all you get a clean Windows but with your some files, or just clean Windows with nothing. And how to do this? Click on button Get Started. Choose an option, and in this window you can click on button with Keep My Files. This option removes apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Or you can remove everything, remove personal files, apps and settings. So I will tell you from my experience what if you have games saves files and some information on your desktop. You can remove everything, and OneDrive app saves all files from desktop and all files from document folder, in which saves all your saving file from games. I want to reinstall Windows with keeping my files. Click on it. This won't take long. Then I can cloud download Windows, download and reinstall Windows, or local reinstall Windows from this device. Choose option what you need, and then let's do it. So if I want to remove everything, I clicked on remove everything, and you see also two buttons, cloud download and local reinstall. So you see, if you want to reinstall Windows you have the same options like reinstall Windows with saves files. Thank you for watching this video, put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye!